Nisambula! Hey everyone, Baron and Bren Bruno from Professionals FIJI Real Estate. And we have something extra special for you today. We are in Fawn Harbor. This is about an hour's drive from Savu Savu on Fiji's second largest island of Vanuatu. And we're in Fawn Harbor, and we have 9 acres of just spectacular freehold land. And we also have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, fully furnished. This place is a total getaway. If you are looking at this and you're living internationally and you want something extra special, a hideaway, all down in here, this is an extra development opportunity. You have mud crabs and prawns that you can grab in there, and of course all that amazing fishing that's going on. There's a reef just between us and that island out there, and then beyond that, deep sea, that's where you catch your tuna, all your pelagic fish like walu, wahoo. Really amazing fishing here, snorkeling, scuba diving, and of course kayaking right out front. This home comes fully furnished, ready to go. This is freehold property, and there is so much amazing potential here, and I'm going to walk you through. So you're going to want to take notes, walk with me. We're going to show you the master suite. Great, beautiful bed with the netting. I love these doors. It reminds me of the southwestern United States where I'm from. Open these up and look at this. Beautiful tiled shower enclosure. Great soaking tub. Toilet area. But I'm going to swing this back around so you can see the views from this master bedroom. And of course, all the wraparound decking. Now, this home was built with Vessi wood. It's a very hard wood here, not easy to find anymore, very expensive, and it's doesn't get affected by moisture or termites, things like that. So it's a really great hardwood that you can work with. But look at this great room. You can see Pacific green furniture throughout, vaulted ceilings. This was built by an American builder in about 2003, 2004. Second owners are looking to sell because they're looking to retire, so ready for someone to take over their dream. Here is the second bedroom, and you can see it set up here for a great family to come and stay, part-time or full-time. And it has, of course, the kayaks and the kite boards over there. So the great thing is this is freehold property, but it's also zoned as a integrated tourism lease. So you can come in here and actually expand this property and run it like a hotel. So here is the bathroom, and you have you see your laundry facilities here, big long tiled countertop. Again, another soaking tub. So really great place to relax. And I'm going to swing it around here. This is bedroom 3. The furniture you see here is actually from Raintree, and I'll point these out when we go back outside. So all these that you see here are actually planks from the Raintree on site. And there are literally hundreds of those trees here. Here is the view of that great room once again. Awesome vaulted ceilings. I mean, this is a huge room here, so lots of different ways to look at this. Again, full-time, this is just an incredible place to be. You have a bus stop just outside the property gates here that will take you into town. It's 5 Fijian dollars. That's less than $3 US. And it's about just over an hour to get into Savu Savu town, where you can do all your shopping, get groceries and things like that. But you don't necessarily need to go into town. There's actually a place just here next door called the Pickering House, where you can also get all your groceries and sundries and beers and wine. Here's a big mango tree right there. This is one of those rain trees right there that I just showed you inside. We made a lot of great furniture out of. So all the very large trees that you see here growing in the natural jungle, most are that rain tree right there. Beautiful gardens in the front. The owner just showed me some great bird's eye chilies that they have. Really, really hot. And you also have here mangoes, papayas, or as they say here, pawpaw. So you have mangoes, papayas. Like I said, those chilies. You have guavas, citrus trees. Lots of great natural organic produce that you can get here. And I'm going to take you back through the view here. Go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679-999-2051 to learn more about this incredible property. I just saw fish jumping right there. So grab your fishing poles. You can literally sit right here and catch fish right there. And if you're really adventurous, see this open area right here. The owners are also talking about making this a marina. So you have two rivers coming in, one off the side here and then one off the other side. So you have a lot of brackish water here. That's why you see a lot of the prawns and those mud crabs that are a delicacy here in Fiji. You can literally grab them right here and fish right here. And then on this side, this is where you could also do some additional development, perhaps a restaurant, or you could do a car park off the back here. So again, and then on the other side of the road, you have another 7 acres. So you have a total of 9 acres of freehold land to do whatever you want with. So there's a tremendous amount of potential. So a lot of people look at this and see these amazing water views, but they don't see the true value, which is across the street there, where you can then subdivide. And what people are doing here is they're selling those blocks for single family residents, or even doing like a hotel where they'll do strata title, where people can actually own a villa here, and when they're not here, they can use that and rent that out and share that rental income. So really incredible potential here. Another fun fact, see, there's another fish jumping. Everybody wants to get on camera today. Right out here, there's an inner reef. You have the outer reef. And then if you want to bring in those big ships, cruise ships can actually come around this small island right here and actually come in and moor right here. So that's what's special about this property, is you can make this into something really magnificent, grand scale. Again, with the big full marina here, restaurant, really dig this out. Or you can keep it as is and keep it as a homestead where you can come here full-time or part-time. So have a look at this. Go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679-999-2051 to learn more about this incredible opportunity for you to live those Fiji dreams that you've been thinking about. And just look at these colors. Isn't this spectacular? There's some great birds here hanging out. You can hear everything. It's just amazing. And the cool breeze we're getting right now is something you're probably thinking about. So come here, enjoy it, live it yourself. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Vinaka.